Hi, this is Cousin Russ. It's been a while since I've done this one, and I'm not sure I've done with a video. So what I want to do is show you how to set Family Tree Maker 2014 so that all of your reports come out looking the same way, and I'll explain that here in a second. So first thing I'm going to do is go into the plan workspace where I normally start, and then I go to the sources workspace. I'm going to use my example of um, a source, a citation, a specific citation in this source that I want all of the facts, and I've got some notes on this one, and I want to preserve, I want that printed because I want to work on this source. I want to make sure that I've captured what I want, see if there's some information that I need to clean up. So I'm going to click on print. Now there's a pop-up window that's not showing here, and it says print all source usage report or print selected source usage report, and that's the one I want to select. I don't want all of the sources being reported. I just want this one. And do I want to include source citations? Yes, I do. So the report's now being generated, as you can see, by the busy signal with spinning dial, and it's going to come up, and there is the source title, and there's the citation, and there's the facts that are included. Now I'm going to scroll down this report a little bit, and you will see that there's no page number and no title of the report. I like to have the page number and the date of the report and the title on every page. So it's not here. So how do I fix that? I'm going to close this report, and I'm going to go to the Publish workspace, and I'm going to go to the source reports, source usage report, and create the report. Now this is going to create a report for all of my citation, all of my sources, which I don't want. But what is being generated, I want to make some changes to this report. First, I want to include those notes, so I put a check mark there. And then the second tab says header and footer. So I'm going to click that. I'm going to show the report title on every page. I want to show a footer. I want to include the page number and include the print date. I don't care for the time. I don't need the time. I just need the date. And I'm going to click OK. That's all well and good, but here's the trick on how to save it so that it appears every time in that format. The fourth icon over here says Save Settings. I'm going to click on that. Are you sure you want to save preferred settings for the source usage report? And the answer is yes. Now you notice that the report hasn't, well, there it goes, it's finished. And there's the page number, and there's the date, and there's the title on every page. I don't want to print this, but I want to go back to the sources workspace and get this first source that I wanted to before. And again, I'm clicking print and print selected source usage report, and I want to include citations. So this is the report that I really wanted, and when it generates, it's going to generate the report that has there are the notes, and if I scroll down, there's the page number, and there is the date of the report. So that any time that I want to do a source usage report for a specific report, I use that. I format the report the way I want it, then I save it, and that happens on all on most trees and charts and reports that you can save the default settings for that specific report. I hope that's helpful. It certainly helps me all the time. It's time saving for me. Hope that helps. Talk to you later.